Hey, what's up? My name's Joanna, and I'm really good at two things, DIY and procrastination. I've got a bridal shower in like 15 minutes and have to pick up a last minute gift. So while I'm still in my car, I'm going to try and craft it into something that's a lot less lame. This is Car Crafts. Our first stop is Crate and Barrel to pick up the single item on the wedding registry that I can afford. Not even cute wrapping paper is gonna help this gift. Here's the fork and spoon. Very exciting. I'm gonna take the double-sided tape. Take the double-sided tape. Oh my god, cheap tape is the worst. Stick a set of googly eyes on each of the utensils. I'm going to take this adhesive, there I go. I'm going to take this adhesive felt and cut out a bow tie for the groom. And I'm going to peel off just the middle section of the bow tie and stick it on. Also made a top hat. After sticking that top hat on, the groom is done. The spoon's going to become our lovely bride. I added googly eyes with double-sided tape just like before. We're going to add a few ribbons. And there you go. I totally thought that there was a white sheet of tissue paper in this pack. That's okay, we're gonna make it work with the shipping paper that came with the fork and spoon. I cut off a small piece and that's going to become the veil. I add one more layer. Once you stick on that veil, the bride is done. Oh my god, these actually turned out really cute. And we're done. Only arrived like 15 minutes late to that party. The bride and groom ended up loving the serving set, so I'm glad I made it extra special for their special day. If you like what you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, become a subscriber down below, and leave me a comment to let me know what you thought. I'll see you in the next video.